Good evening friends, I am back with some more news, again starting with India. There is an ongoing border dispute going on between India and Nepal. The communist regime of Nepal, they have raised this issue which was virtually non-existent before they came to power. So it is suspected that the Communist Party of China is behind this anti-India move in Nepal. They have recently passed a resolution in the lower house with 2/3 majority claiming 3 locations which actually belongs to India, but they are now claiming that those locations historically belongs to Nepal. So India has reacted sharply on that resolution, and India has said this resolution will have no effect on ground, and only if there is any question of dispute that should be resolved between the two countries bilaterally through dialogues. So recently there were some farmers who were traveling from India to Nepal. For viewers to know that India and Nepal has a porous border and doesn't require a visa to travel between India and Nepal. Nepal people are allowed to come to India, join Indian Army also, and as well as do job and services in India. Similarly, Indians are allowed to travel to Nepal. So some Indian farmer community people are were traveling to Nepal, and Nepal police stopped them, fired on the air, and some of the stray bullets injured 3 people, and later 1 person succumbed to the injuries. So after that there is a lot of dissentment in Indian public, and Indian people are expecting Indian government will take some strong action against the Nepal police officers who were suspect of the firing the bullets. In another news, going to USA, Trump claimed that he is considering to suspend H-1B visa. So most of the technology companies are going to get impacted, especially Apple, Google, Facebook, and many other IT giants. They may get impacted because they employ huge number of people from all other countries across the world. Most of the H-1B visa beneficiaries are Indians, so definitely it's going to have a huge impact on the Indian aspirants and people who aspire or wants to travel or study or work in United States. In another news, Twitter has claimed that they have banned around 170,000 fake Twitter accounts which were kind of bots operated by the Chinese Communist Party, and they were spreading misinformation related to COVID-19 and various other things. Basically they were spreading pro-China information, trying to mislead people. So Twitter somehow claimed that they got a hint of that. They identified those accounts, and there were around 23,750 active accounts and around 150,000 amplifier accounts which they have banned recently. So this is one important development, and we will continue with some other more news in the video. Thank you.